What's up guys, I'm doing another video and today we are going to install a new throttle cable on the FJ, possibly because I'm assuming that this is the right throttle cable for this truck. I don't actually know because it has a Holley carburetor and yeah, so it has a questionable ability for this to actually fit. Again, sorry about the wind, but that's just Arizona and there's nothing I can really do about it. So yeah, but first I have to move this thing that doesn't want to actually, live for more than 5 seconds somewhere else, probably over there, and then this Corolla's probably gonna have to go that way again because the Scion's over here. Oh my god. Alright, so anyway, yeah, let's move some stuff. Okay, so number one, I'm gonna hope that the battery is actually charged enough that it won't die. Number two, I am going to make sure that this throttle doesn't stick so that when I do start it, it doesn't immediately redline itself and blow the motor. And number three, I have to pull the choke out a little, pump the gas in. Yeah, so one, gas pedal stuck, gas pedal stuck. This is why we are replacing the throttle cable. So let me go unjam the gas real quick. So I just pumped the carburetor manually, so I hope the gas doesn't stick. Choke out a little. Okay. Oh, I see the throttle. I forgot I disconnected it. Look at that exhaust leak right there. Well, it turns out, I guess, since that exhaust manifold is leaking and also because the throttle cable is actually disconnected, because I forgot I did that, we're just going to leave it in the spot that it is now, and we're going to put the new cable on. Okay, now hopefully you'll be able to see this next part. So what I have to do is, you can see there's those two bolts right there. The one on the camera will focus, there's two bolts right there. Those have to come off and then this entire assembly can kind of come out. So yeah. Okay, so if you couldn't tell, what I've gone ahead and done is I've pulled the entire accelerator pedal off so that I can more easily pull this throttle cable out. So yeah, let me see if I can somehow get this to come out real quick. Okay, so you can see on this one, this little plastic piece right here is supposed to be connected to this other little plastic piece that's on this wire, so this should be like that on there, and you could see this entire thing's just falling apart, and then the extra friction because of it has made the wire fray and start catching on everything. So it's a good idea that we replace this. So this comes off and we have our new throttle cable, which actually looks like it will fit perfectly. Now, just letting you know, here's the part number and all of that other stuff. It's made in Japan, and yeah, this was kind of difficult to find, but my dad found it, so. Okay, so now I'm going to pull the FJ40 out of here and put it in the driveway so that I can show you guys some of the changes that have occurred to this vehicle since last time you've seen it. Okay, so now that it's in the driveway, I kind of wanted to give you a quick little walk around about, you know, some of the things that changed since the last time you've seen it. So, sorry I didn't film it, but I've been kind of busy and trying to get, you know, my life back together with the whole traffic school and all that other stuff, and I just needed to eliminate all the stress. So I kind of, you know, I broke away from my YouTube streak of making at least 3 videos a week, so that's going to come back about next week or the week after that. And I believe this will be a shorter video. I'm not sure. I haven't edited it yet. And so I don't know how long this video is going to be, but it'll be long enough, I guess. Yeah, so by next week, everything should be okay with upload schedule. But anyway, so first thing you're going to notice straight away is these are not the same wheels. These are US mags. I don't know what, or, you know, anything like that. I just know that my dad saw them and picked them out, and that's what he liked. So we have US mags. They came with the little center cap that covers the worn lockers. Now, they do have a little spacer on them because the offset was too little, and it was bottoming on these little tie rods here. And yes, I know they need to be replaced, but we're going to get there eventually. But they were bottoming on the tie rods, and they had to have a little spacer put on. But I think that these wheels sit perfectly. The spacer set them up perfect. So yeah, my dad was not thrilled about the fact that he was going to need to have a spacer put on, but I knew that it was going to look great. So yeah, looks pretty good with the wheels on there. Of course, we have the matching spare. Sorry about the dogs barking in the background. We have the matching spare on the back, and you'll also notice that the diamond plate is gone, and we've put the factory license plate bracket on, and I painted the tailgate. You know, it's not a great paint job. It's not fantastic, and also someone cut the bracket, the original mounting bracket for the tail license plate right there to put the diamond plate on. So we're going to figure out something to do with that. But right now, I'm really happy with the way it's turned out because I know straight away looking at these two trucks, like, that's my dad's trucks, you know, because, or those are my dad's trucks, grammar, because just the way they look with the wheels and, you know, the mag wheels, and the fact that I pulled all the paint off the chrome and everything, you know, and this had just so much black on it, and so much, you know, everything that was chrome or metal was painted black, and now I look at this and go, yeah, that's one of my dad's trucks. So yeah, if we get the top back on it, it will be perfect. And if we can get the Line-X off the doors there. But yeah, so that's what our plans is to put the top on and take the Line-X off the doors, and this truck will be looking really, really nice. So anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please hit the like button and subscribe if you you know, enjoy the content and want any more. And yeah, so anyways, guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Bye.